Okay, first tell Mommy. Who are you calling?
Mimi.
You calling Mimi's? Can you tell Mimi, what does a cow say?
Moo.
What does a kitty cat say?
Moo.
What does a rooster say? Good. What does a puppy dog say?
Off.
And what does that rooster say?
No.
What does the rooster say? Oh, goodness. You right? You right?
Mama.
Yeah, Mama's right here. Can you tell Mommy, what does the rooster say? Yeah, good job.